Good afternoon. My name is Jorge Blandon. I'm studying business administration. Today, I'm going to talk about the effects of technology on the environment. Uh, can we do something? A good question. Huh? So, technology has changed our world a lot. Has changed the entire world, and the rise of technologies has made our life easier. For example, a mobile phone has made our interaction and communication easier, and you can talk with your friends or your family uh, quickly, almost instantly. And airplanes have made our traveling easier too. You can fly to USA, for example, in 3 or 4 hours from Cartagena. It's a shorter trip, but we're paying a high price for this because our ocean and rivers have been made destroyed to obtain the natural resource. Uh, we have negative effect of technology on the environment. Environment pollution, global warming, degradation of lands are bad consequences of use of natural resource. There are more and more people living in this planet and demand more and more resource, and we don't care what happens. For example, 50 years ago, we didn't have personal phones. Now there are almost 7 millions of cell phones in the world. Almost one cell phone for each one person. Many cell phones. If rising level of consumption continues, we will have a problem in the future. If people don't change their habits, we will have a serious problems in the future with our national natural resource. We will don't have more natural resource. And what can we do to save our planet? We need to take action quickly, because we need to preserve our natural resource for the future. I recommend to use less fossil fuels and use more eco-friendly system of transportation like bicycles and electric cars, for example. We need to recycle more, use solar system energy. In our Latin American countries, we will have more radiance than in Europe, for example. And the solar system energy is a good thing to use in our countries. I would like to see more sustainable projects in Latin America to develop more our economy. Finally, I want to see or grow up our kids and grow up happy and health in our planet. Thank you.